All right. We're going to trim these little branches off. This silky saw comes in a nice package. Velcro closure. Feels like 1,000 denier. Made in Japan. Been a big fan of these for quite a few years now. That Katana Boy 500 was a gift from my wife for Christmas. Thank you, honey. Appreciate you. We're going to put our military modular sleep system in there. Then I'll give you a tour.